So we're like in the 5th month of the year, right? I can totally feel 2030 approaching. 2026, 7, 8, 9, 30, I don't know. It just seems the year's been so long. It's been so fucking long. I'm so overdue for a fucking road trip. My cousin's gender reveal is June 6th in Atlanta. I'm gonna get my oil change and drive there in a few weeks. I don't know if it's gonna be a day trip or like a 2-day trip or like an overnight trip. More than likely it's gonna be excuse me, that burp took a lot out of me. Oh my goodness. Hey, he called the camera. She called the camera. One of them. Bye. That towel is there to block like lizards from coming in. But yeah. Look at this big boy, big girl. Whenever they leave, I'm gonna fancy out the ants from the bowl. From the bowls. There's like 2 other cats that come. Why the fuck? Like 3 nights ago, there was a I thought it was a cat hiding. I went to refill the bowls. I thought there was a cat, and I went out like the front door. You know, this is the back door. But I went out the front door, and there's rice on the table. I went out the front door, and I thought it was a cat, like hiding underneath. Hiding underneath like the grill thing, like that tarp. So whatever, that tarp. So I put the tarp, you know, on the thingy, on the rails. But it was a fucking opossum.